Hey guys, thanks for joining me in today's video. So today I'll be rearranging my second garden bed. This is the one that I have the tomatoes in. I decided to rearrange it so I could have more space to put other things in because I want to do some companion planting. In addition to the tomatoes, I decided to add some gungo peas. According to my reading, peas and legumes adds nitrogen to the soil, which is good for the tomatoes. So I decided to add 2 plants of gungo peas to the other end, which you'll see me doing soon. I also pruned some of the lower leaves on the tomatoes, and I also added some cucumber seeds in the middle. Oh, and guys, just a quick update. Look at the lettuce. Remember I did the cut and come again method? Well, they're back. So if I wanted, I could come again and get more lettuce. But I think I'm going to leave it to turn into a ball and then just harvest all of it, because it's currently turning into a ball shape because it's a variety of iceberg lettuce. I got this pop chow from another friend and it's doing well. Yeah, these are how the seedlings are looking after 12 days of growing. You have the onion, the beets, the corn, the marigold, and as you can see, the roots for the corn are growing outside of the seedling tray, so I'll be transplanting those today. I don't know if you guys remember, but when I was planting these seeds into the tray, I placed more than one seed into each section. Well, for some of them, and that's because these seeds didn't have 100% germination rates. So I placed more than one in there in case some didn't grow. And if I did end up having extras in one section, I just pull out the ones that I didn't want and leave one in there. And for some of those, I replanted them. So right now I'm just digging holes and transplanting the corn seedlings.